Hello YouTube viewers, thank you so much for tuning in, and today I would like to introduce you to two other babies. These are a little bit older than the babies that I shared with you recently. Now I haven't shown these much, so it's time for me to get them out and start creating with them. So they are on a certain floor. This flooring is actually a braided placemat that I got from Walmart a while back, and I hadn't really used it. I don't remember using it. But anyway, it covered the entire area that I needed to cover, side to side, the entire area. So this is going to be their flooring. And then behind them, the ABC theme is from decorative paper. I got a whole bunch of decorative paper sheets at my favorite thrift store a while back. So every now and then, I go through them and I see what I can use. But since I'm focusing on baby kids rooms lately, I chose this for this room because I have that braided placement, and the colors are amazing together. So I hope that you will stay tuned because I will be bringing these to you. They're supposed to be brothers. This one is a little younger, as you can see, and this is the older one. So I hope that you stay tuned for this creation, and thank you so much for